The Egyptian government has reportedly made progress in negotiations with Sweden's Saab for the possible acquisition of GlobalEye Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft. The platform is currently Cairo's leading candidate to replace the Egyptian Air Force's aging Grumman E-2C Hawkeye fleet. Egypt began an exploratory phase in mid-2025, with a meeting between Egyptian military representatives and Saab at the Paris Air Show. This phase was followed by an evaluation phase at the government level. To date, there has been no official announcement from Cairo regarding the contract signing, the number of aircraft to be acquired, the delivery schedule, and the financial model. Media sources said the process is still in the technical, operational, and budget analysis stages. Egypt received its first E-2C Hawkeye aircraft in the late 1980s and for many years used the aircraft as its early warning and airspace management platform. Egypt's modernization of the E-2C includes the integration of the APS-145 radar, a new mission computer, and improved communication systems, allowing the aircraft to have a service life extended until the end of this decade. However, the platform, designed in the 1960s, requires high maintenance costs and lacks the flexibility to integrate new sensors and data links. Egypt's surveillance needs have increased significantly. Beyond traditional air defense, the North African nation needs to monitor strategic maritime areas in the Mediterranean and Red Sea. In addition, new aircraft are also needed to protect vital trade routes, track activity around the Suez Canal, and maintain constant vigilance in sensitive areas such as the Sinai Peninsula. This scenario supports solutions capable of providing continuous surveillance across multiple domains, something that goes beyond Hawkeye's traditional focus. GlobalEye is built using Canada's Bombardier Global 6000 or 6500 long-range business jets. These aircraft are designed for ultra-long-range flights with exceptional cabin comfort. The Global 6500 is a development of the Global 6000 with a more efficient engine and wider range. This aircraft, with a capacity of 17 passengers, can cover distances of 11,112 kilometers, Global 6000, and 12,223 kilometers, Global 6500, roughly the same as the distance from Jakarta to London. It can fly for over 13 hours. These characteristics allow the aircraft to cover a much wider range of AEW&C missions and maintain a longer presence in remote areas, reducing the need for multiple aircraft.